Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making Jamaican plantain porridge. The core ingredient for this is unripe plantain. So I'll start up by taking off the peel and then just dice it up into sizable cubes. I will definitely recommend this plantain porridge for anyone who wants to up their healthy living lifestyle because it is very low in sugar, high in fiber and resistant starch. It helps manage blood sugar and supports digestive health. So if you've gone blank of different ways to enjoy unripe plantain, here is another one for you. Once I'm done dicing, I would set that aside and then the next would be to transfer it into the blender with some water. The plantain is about 4 medium size and for the water I'm using 3 cups. Next would be some oats. So you need some rolled oats or quick oats, and the rolled oats add more texture. Quick oats cook faster and gives a smoother result. Oats helps thicken up the porridge. It is also rich in fiber and it makes it more filling and heart healthy. If you want to skip the oats, you can go for some cornmeal, coconut flour, cassava flour or tapioca starch. After adding that, I'm now going to blend them together until they are smooth. Next, transfer that into a pot and add in about a cup of water. Using a hand whisk, I'll stir on this constantly and also ensure that the heat is on medium low. This would help the porridge cook properly and avoid burning. Once it has taken up just as seen in the video, next would be to add in some grated nutmeg, some cinnamon and then vanilla. These are the major flavors that are used. I also went in with a pinch of salt and then some sugar to taste with some milk. The traditional milk for this is coconut milk, but I'm using some evaporated milk. The nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla are going to help enhance the flavor. The salt would balance the taste, and then the sugar is to add some sweetness. Give that a good mix for about 2 minutes, and the plantain porridge is ready. Now you can serve this and enjoy. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, drop your comment and subscribe if you're yet to. Also, don't forget to tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I topped this up with some granola, coconut flakes and more milk. This is so good and very filling. You can pair this with some moi moi, akara, beans or bread and trust me, you would definitely enjoy it. Until next time, bye!